All right, we are at Vector Edition 4, and we're given the following force vectors. Force 1 is 100 grams at 30, so we've just got a 50 weight hanger and a 50 gram on this ring here. And then we have 200 at, oh, you know what, it's off. I only have 150, so I need to get another 50. Yeah, I had it wrong. So here's 200 at 90, and then 300, that's 200, 50, and 50, that's 300 at 225. And now we have to find the equilibrant. We can see that the ring is in that direction, so we want to pull it somewhere around here. Let's move up. See where this wants to go. That looks about, we'll put it right there. Yeah, it's tending a little, it's still over. Let's see, that's more centered. That looks about where it would be. Okay, and we start adding some weight. Since I stole a 50 off of that one, let me get another 50. Alright, so now we start adding some masses. Here's just a 50, and we do 100, and let's see, what should we add next? This is a 20, and I'm going to add a 10, and that looks about centered. The ring looks about centered, so I'm going to call it 130 at 339. 130 at 339. And we'll write that down. 130 grams at 339. All right, and then I will do an optional one, and that'll be the next one.